and do your job. Lay on the bed and give me some head. Don't have to ask, don't have to beg. Tricky is my name, sex is my game. Let's call the boys, let's run the train. Please throw my nuts, lick on my butt, and as your curly hair, please don't touch. First find me, second find a place, third find a bag to hide no face. Real name Rover, I said bend over. I started to knock and gave him the order. Smell like mush, shouldn't have a rush. Told her to stop and take a douche. While she hit that, I didn't want the cat, so I bounced out and never came back. Suck a nigga dick. Suck a nigga dick. Suck a nigga dick. Suck a nigga dick. My nigga G Magic said he had to have it. I said to get it, it's too crabby. No little freak in Hollywood sucks on a dick, does it real good. She gives you money, fill up your tummy. House full of kids, parents all scummy. Once had it down, backyard ground. Hit it on the back, enjoy the sound. Lay on the cover, always use a rubber till I get her cut. Fucking with her mother, she blamed it on me. We fought in the street, she pulled out a knife. So I called the key, called up the boys, went to her house, trust her face, to the pitch. Police busted in, where the niggas at? We left in time and never came back. Rolled through the hood, waving at the freaks. Crew skipping oats, whipping on the geese. Need another stop. Police station, saw through cops. Drove and sprayed them, license plate number. I think it said he saw. Bogus all the time, never get.
Slob on
My knob, car with fat. Chick with me, and do you that. Please take a freak, I know you from the streets. My nigga hurry key, and said choose me. They call you a red, one is on head.
and drinks a nigga's
Inside,
nut
until you let her
to see
what she's about.
I creep to a house
To catch her in a house and see her in her mouth. Went to a room to get the fucking tooth. I didn't have a rubber, fucking with the blue. Lay on the bed, that's all she said.
a pussy has one foot.
Twisting in the streets, the fucking sound is tunes. With the broom, she waited like a horse. The broom pushed it too. When I see that, I don't want the cat. So I found out
And never
came
came
back.